The Daher TBM 960, updated for 2024, combines advanced avionics, a powerful Pratt Whitney PT6E-66XT engine, and a refined cabin experience, making it a standout in the high-performance single-engine turboprop market. Here's an overview of its features and costs for ownership and operation. Key specs. Engine: Pratt Whitney PT6E-66XT with FADEC, providing smooth single-lever control, optimal fuel management, and enhanced reliability. Speed and range: maximum cruise speed of 330 knots and a range of up to 1,730 nautical miles, depending on payload and conditions. Altitude and climb: capable of reaching 31,000 feet with a time to climb of about 18 minutes. Safety features: includes the Garmin G3000 avionics suite, enhanced with a HomeSafe emergency autoland system, advanced weather radar, and engine/propeller electronic controls, all aimed at improving safety and reducing pilot workload. Cabin comfort: a luxurious prestige cabin features ergonomically designed seats, USB-A and USB-C ports, dimmable windows, and LED lighting, providing a first-class experience for up to 5 passengers. I appreciate your viewership and would love for you to like, share, subscribe, and share your thoughts for enhancements. Operating costs. The initial purchase price of a new TBM 960 is approximately $5 million. Annual costs, including fixed costs like insurance and storage, run about $500,000 for ongoing ownership. With fuel priced at $6 per gallon, the hourly variable operating cost is around $1,100, which includes fuel, maintenance, and other direct costs. The TBM 960 offers a compelling mix of speed, range, and luxury that appeals to owner pilots and corporate operators looking for efficiency and high-end features in a single-engine turboprop. Its operating costs are competitive within this class, albeit on the higher end compared to other turboprops.